Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel, friends. If you're not subscribed to my YouTube channel yet, do subscribe it today and press the bell icon to receive notification about my new videos. In this video, we will see how to fix if Copilot is missing in Windows 11 operating system. So let's get started. So Copilot is a very new feature available in Windows 11. It can help you to perform day-to-day tasks. It provides many good features with the help of AI. I have already created a video on how to enable and use Copilot in Windows 11. You can check out that video on this card. But in case if Copilot is entirely missing on your Windows 11, this video guide is for you. We will explore different solutions to fix this problem, starting with solution number 1. In this case, you have to confirm that your Windows 11 has a supported version for Windows Copilot. So for this, I suggest to check your Windows version. So simply right click on the start button and select run. In run window, type WinVer, that is WINVER. Press the enter key or click OK. Now in the about window, pay attention to the version information. It should be version 22H2 or 23H2. In my case, it is version 23H2. And Windows Copilot is available in following builds: Windows 11 version 22H2, KB5030310, build 22621.2361 or later. In case if you are on the insider preview builds, you must have dev preview build 23493 or later. If you are on Canary channel, it should be 25982 or later. If you are on the beta channel, 22631.2129 or later you should have. So once you confirm the build number, still you do not have Windows Copilot, you can move on to the next solution. So we have solution number 2 here. In this case, we will open settings app and make sure that the account you have is Microsoft account, because if you have local account, Copilot will not work on that account. So you must have a Microsoft account. Here when I open the settings app, it asks me to switch to the Microsoft account. So you can just click on the sign in button and switch it to the Microsoft account. Once you convert the local account to Microsoft account, Copilot should be available on your device. Additionally, if you have a local account, but in case you have already added Microsoft accounts, like on this system I have currently signed into local account, but if I go to email and accounts, here you can see that I have added some Microsoft accounts, and due to this it is possible that I can have Copilot on this system, and this is because Copilot is available only on Microsoft accounts and the Microsoft Intra ID, that is Azure AD account or the work or school accounts. Next we have solution number 3. In this case, we will check if you have the corresponding Copilot option turned on or off. So for that, we will open the taskbar setting, right click on the taskbar and select taskbar settings. Now in the taskbar settings, under taskbar items, make sure that the Copilot option is turned on. Once you turn it on, you will see the Copilot icon on the taskbar, and once you turn off that option, Copilot will be removed from the taskbar. So in this system, I restored Copilot using this method. Next we have solution number 4. In this case, we will use registry editor to restore Copilot. So right click on the start button and select run, type regedit and click OK. In the registry editor window, go to HKey current user software policies Microsoft Windows. Now when you arrive to Windows registry key, right click and select new and then key. Name this newly created registry subkey as Windows Copilot. Write it exactly as shown in this video. Now right click on the Windows Copilot registry subkey which we created now and select new, then dword value. Now name this newly created registry dword as turn off Windows Copilot. Again write it exactly as shown in this video, and once you create the registry dword, it should have 0 value data, and which is the required thing here. And once you create it, you can just restart the Explorer process or sign out and sign in back, and the Copilot should be restored on your device. Next we have solution number 5. In this case, if you do not have Copilot on the Windows 11 taskbar, you can use Copilot in Microsoft Edge. Simply open the Microsoft Edge, which is the inbuilt browser, and you must have a Copilot button at the top bar of Microsoft Edge. You can just click on it and open the Copilot as you can see in this video. And lastly, we have solution number 6. If you have already tried all the previous solutions but nothing worked, you can just check if the Microsoft Copilot is available in your country or region. So simply search for Microsoft Copilot regions on Google or Bing, and if you are taken to this page, which is the official page. This link has been also mentioned in the video description. In this page, Microsoft has announced Copilot availability regions on November 27, 2023, and currently Copilot is only available in these following countries like Europe, United Kingdom, Canada, France, Australia, India, Japan, Asia Pacific, South America, Switzerland. If you live in a country or region which is not in this list, you need to check out later for the Copilot, as Microsoft is expanding the Copilot market and availability regions. Better you wait for the updates, and Copilot should be available automatically to your device. So that's it for now in this video. Thanks for watching it. If you found it helpful, do like it, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos.